everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for the freelance makeup artist want to be, or if you already are one and you want to save money on building and restocking your kit, this video is for you. So I want to talk about some things I have in my freelance kit that are super affordable and where I know I can get the best price for them, either in bulk or whatever, that I just need to restock things or get things started for my freelance kit. And so I have narrowed things down, and all of these things are from the dollar store. Yay, another dollar store video. I love these videos so much because I love affordable things, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter how much money I have for something, I'm gonna check the dollar store if I can somehow DIY something to be a cheaper price and save money, because that's just who I am. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, these are all things that I have in my freelance kit now and that I have been using over the past few years. And let's start with this one, since it's the closest. These are the makeup removable wipes here. They're ones that are supposed to be like compared to Neutrogena. So you get 25 wipes, and again for $1. These work so nice. I actually like them better than the Neutrogena ones, and those cost a lot more. So that is number one on the list. So are these disposable little cosmetic wedgie sponges, just these right here. This is not the same brand, but I can't find the ones that I bought at the dollar store, but they do sell these as well, and you get, I think, around 30 or 25 of them. And so if you need disposable little sponges, get them at the dollar store. Another thing I have is I do have face masks in my kit as well, not because of the coronavirus, but because if I am sick, I don't want to be doing makeup on my client and breathing all over their face and then getting them sick. Also, if they are sick and they're like, hey, I just want to let you know I'm sick, then you can just go ahead and pop one of these bad boys on, and then you don't have to worry about getting sick while you're doing their makeup. And then just make sure you obviously really clean your tools that you're using and wipe down your makeup products. Speaking of wiping down your makeup products, you can also get alcohol, rubbing alcohol at the dollar store. This is 50% and it's just the regular rubbing alcohol. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat. I think I'm dying. Oh, corona. Okay, anyway, yeah, rubbing alcohol, I get this, and I actually put it in these little travel-sized containers, like little travel that deal. You can put your shampoos and conditioners and everything in. I use these to put my alcohol, my makeup remover, like liquid makeup remover, anything that I need to wipe down or whatever, so that way I can save room in my freelance kit and not have to take the huge bottles of everything. Brush cleaner, that's another one. Speaking of makeup remover, you can also get that at the dollar store. It's basically the same as any other oil-free, excuse me, makeup remover. I like it. I think it works just as good as any other ones I've tested out. Also, I get micellar water. Now, this one, I could not find at my dollar store, and I saw that it was online on the Dollar Tree. Excuse me, I keep saying dollar store. It's the Dollar Tree if anyone is actually confused. But yeah, so this is micellar water. I use this to prep my client's skin, and yeah, you get 8 ounces of this, and it's actually kind of expensive when you buy it, like at Ulta or Walmart or whatever. But I did have to get this one online because I could not find it. Also, speaking of online shopping at the dollar store, everything is in bulk. So if you did buy one of these, you're probably gonna end up having to buy like 20 of them, which is still $20, and you get 20 bottles of this. That's just how it is on the dollarstore.com or dollartree.com. And then also I get my cotton swabs, my Q-tips at the dollar store. You get 300 of them. Such a good deal. You're always needing these to touch up things or take mascara off. And yeah, also cotton rounds. I'm sure you guys have seen this in my previous dollar store makeup videos. I know I did mention these, and the wipes. I don't know if I mentioned anything else here, but yeah, I also get these at the dollar store because you get 80 of these. Obviously, I don't know why I have to keep saying that, but you know. Another thing I keep in my kit that I get from the dollar store is Kleenexes, or our Kleenexes. Is it Kleenexes? Our Kleenexes. because you never know if you have to, I don't know, if you sneeze or whatever, you need to blow your own nose, or your client needs to blow their nose, which is the worst thing ever because they have to fix their makeup. But these come in very handy. Also, the dollar store sells Wet n Wild lipsticks. You know I'm a big fan of these, and I've talked about these before, but you can also sometimes find these at your dollar store. It just kind of depends because some dollar stores, trees carry different items, but at pretty much everyone that I've been to, you can definitely get these bad boys, which I highly recommend. I do have these in my freelance kit as well. Okay, so next I want to talk about some lashes. You know, I've talked about the LA Colors lashes before, and I really love these because it's not this one, I don't think this, but there's another type of lash that's more soft and more natural, so it's not these exact lashes. But I do like them for my brides, especially the ones that don't want to look like they're wearing makeup but want their eyelashes to stand out in pictures and whatnot. I highly recommend these, and again, they're only $1 where you don't have to spend, you know, $5 to $20 on a pair of lashes. I really love these because, you know, the brides are probably just going to end up throwing them away at the end of the day and not reusing them. So I'm not skimping out on good quality things because I do think that these are good quality. I wouldn't recommend something that I think is crappy. Also, here's another one that my Dollar Tree has just started selling. These are the Iconi mink lashes, and these are really good as well. They look very professional and like worth a lot more than these ones because the packaging is kind of cheapy looking, but these ones are really nice as well. The bands on these both are really pretty thin, so you don't have to worry about hiding the lash line or anything like that. But that is it for this video. If you have any questions down below, or if you have any questions, comment them down below. I'm getting way ahead of myself these days. Oh, one more thing actually. These beauty sponges, I cut this one in half, but the dollar store sells these as well. I can't remember what brand they are. They're just one that the dollar store sells. Sassy and Chic, I think that's what they're called. But these are really good sponges. I know that obviously the Beauty Blender is a good one, and Real Techniques are really good, but these I almost like better than both of those, and they're only $1. And then I do cut them in half because I find them to be kind of large when I do get them wet. And they're just kind of harder to handle, so I just cut them in half, and then so it's just basically $1 for 2 sponges. But that's that. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you have any questions, comment them down below. I upload every Friday. Go check out my other freelancing makeup videos. I will have them linked down in the description box below as well, or maybe they'll pop up on the little icon here or there. I don't know which side it is. But anyway, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.